What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a great day. Today we have a very exciting stock to go over. It has partnerships with Amazon, with IBM. Ark Invest has so much money invested in this. And before we get into it though, make sure to check out my podcast called Michael on the Mic, where I talk about stocks, I talk about tech news and other business news. Stories that I just really find interesting. Also, don't forget to join our private investing community and get 4 free stocks when you download the Webull investing app. But anyways, today we're going to talk about Palantir, stock ticker symbol PLTR. And before you click away because you think you already know everything about this company, I bet you don't, because they have some big news that recently came out that is really, really exciting for this stock. And Ark Invest has been purchasing so much money, purchasing so many shares of this recently. So Palantir recently announced a partnership with Amazon, and they're going to be optimizing the ERP Suite for AWS, making it accessible for millions of AWS customers. And this is really, really, really big. It's really big news. And according to Teresa Carlson, who's the Vice President of Worldwide Public Sector and Industries for AWS, stated that they are very excited to be working with Palantir to make the suite of tools available on AWS and to help their customers get insights faster, unlocking the data they already have. Using AWS, Palantir's ERP Suite can help customers offload the complexity, gain faster intelligence from their data, and make critical decisions to save time and expense. This is absolutely essential when you're talking about any company. Palantir works in the data, they're a data analytics company. And right now, no matter if you're a coffee shop, you're IBM, you're Amazon, or you sell peanut butter, it doesn't matter. Like, everyone needs to use data to figure out where to make the next decision. What's going to be the best decision to make? Do you target these customers? Do you target other customers? What products do people like the best? Do people tend to pick one over another? Data is the most important thing. Like, I oversimplified it, but you get what I mean. Data is absolutely essential, and having a partnership with AWS is massive, because AWS is a cloud computing platform which many companies use. On the enterprise side, companies like Snapchat, Salesforce, Netflix, Coca-Cola, Airbnb, Lyft, Nextdoor, all of these companies use AWS in some sort of fashion. And Palantir being able to have a major partnership with them and launching an enterprise resource planning system is going to give Palantir a lot more exposure. And partnering with Amazon, you can't go wrong. Like, if they do a good job, this leads to bigger and better things. And already AWS is huge. Palantir previously had announced a partnership with IBM earlier in February of 2021. They announced a massive partnership with IBM, and what it was to merge hybrid cloud artificial intelligence, data processing, and operational technology into a new product for business clients called Palantir for IBM Cloud Pak. Essentially the same thing. They're all trying to use data analytics, offer these solutions to their customers. IBM and Palantir, they're offering a product to IBM's cloud customers. In addition to that, Palantir and Amazon, they did the same thing. Enterprise Resource Planning System on AWS. Same exact thing. And having 2 deals, one with Amazon, one with IBM, 2 of the largest companies in the world, is something that you don't see a lot. And when you do, you know that is something, at least me, I know that's something I want to be invested in. So Palantir, when they signed the deal with IBM, they said it was no question the largest partnership they had ever done. The partnership expanded Palantir's sales force, giving them access to a lot of IBM's resources. And now they one up that with a partnership with AWS. Seems like these contracts for them are getting bigger and bigger. They already have deals with the government, with the Air Force, and all around the world. They have major contracts already, Palantir. A lot of these contracts are multi-year agreements, so that's guaranteed revenue for them. Now with deals with AWS and IBM, That's really impressive. So Ark Invest, with all this news, they've been buying up tens of millions of dollars. They currently have over $390 million total, about $130 million in ARKW and $262 million in ARKK. They own a lot of this stock, and they bought more of it recently, about $60 million just in the last week. This is a stock that, even though it has a high valuation, it is looking really, really good. They have a lot of big partnerships. They're in an industry that is only going to get bigger, data analytics, only going to get bigger, and having partnerships with the government, with Amazon, with IBM. If I was if you had a business that was doing $100 million in revenue or $50 million in revenue, you're going to want to be with the company that is doing business for the government, Amazon, and IBM, because they know what they're doing, and that's Palantir. So Palantir right now, they do have a high valuation, but the risk to me has been reduced significantly. I think it's a great investment because of these massive partnerships they have, from Amazon to IBM to the government. They have so many big deals, and I think it's really just at the beginning still. So let me know what you guys think of Palantir, what you think about Ark Invest buying more shares, what you think about the AWS and IBM partnerships. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to get your 4 free stocks, each valued up to $1,600, when you download the Webull investing app using the link down below. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.